Freecash storage usage depends on the app installation, saved data, and temporary files created while you use the platform on your device. By the end, you'll know how to check Freecash storage usage, what takes up space, and how to reduce unnecessary storage without losing access to your account. The first thing to understand is that the download size of the Freecash app is not always the same as the storage it uses after you start using it. Apps can create additional files from updates, cached information, and saved settings. To check the exact storage used by Freecash, use your phone's built-in storage settings. On Android, open Settings, select Apps, choose Freecash, and check the storage details. On iPhone, go to Settings, open General, select iPhone Storage, and find Freecash in the app list. The second section is understanding what increases app storage over time. The app itself is only one part of the total space calculation. Temporary files and stored app data can increase the amount of storage shown on your device. If Freecash is taking more space than expected, you can manage it by clearing unnecessary app data where your phone allows it. Another option is uninstalling and reinstalling the app to remove old temporary files. Before removing the app, make sure you remember your Freecash login details. Your account and earnings are linked to your account information, not only the app installed on your phone. The third section is keeping your device storage organized while using earning apps. Check your phone storage regularly and remove apps, downloads, or files you no longer need. Freecash storage requirements can also change when the app receives updates. Developers may add improvements, fix problems, or change how the app works, which can affect the amount of space used. If you use Freecash through a mobile browser instead of the app, storage usage works differently because saved browser data and app data are handled separately. The most accurate way to know how much storage Freecash uses is to check your own device settings, because storage amounts vary between phones and usage patterns. To summarize, Freecash app storage depends on the installation size, saved data, and temporary files. Your phone settings show the exact amount of space being used, and clearing unnecessary data can help manage storage. Your next step is to open your device storage settings and check Freecash's current space usage. If this guide helped you understand Freecash app size, like the video and subscribe for more online earning guides.